All right. Good day, friends. All right. A very short one. My question is this: are you done with your plans for this year, 2023? Okay. I believe you are doing something about you transforming your life, trying to take yourself up from where you are to a higher level when it comes to your financial status, right? For the year 2023. Now, like I mentioned earlier on or before now, I've been telling those who have been following my students that the year 2023 is running. It's already running and nobody can stop it. It's going to keep on running and running and running. And that is why you have to do all you need to do to make sure that the year goes down well for you. Have it in mind that there are so many people that are attached to your greatness. There are so many persons that if you rise, they are going to rise with you. And they are your family circle, they are your community, they are everywhere around you. Is it not true? Now, there are also so many persons that who are attached to your falling. All right? Now, if you fail, there are so many persons that are going to fail alongside with you. Do you have that in mind? Okay? Make sure you have that in mind. The truth is, your parents need you to support them. Your brothers and sisters need you to support them. Okay, the village you came from, all right, the community, the town you live in, need you to support them. You need to think wide. Is it not true? You need to get out of your comfort zone and begin to expand and think big. Okay, think wide, and then you move that to your nation, and then you move that to your continent and to the world at large. Everybody needs you to support them in one way or the other, and so you just have to make sure you do the needful to keep flying high, keep flying upward and forward. Every step all to be tough. And that is why I'm bringing before you a great and wonderful opportunity once again called Akfapo. Alright, Akfapo is Amazon KDP for Android phone users only. Now we're going to be running a program, alright, a free masterclass actually, this week, by Wednesday this week. And it's going to be awesome. You're going to be awesome. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually write 3 to 5 books within 1 hour, 2 hours time, and you can make 250,000 naira to 500,000 naira every good month, every blessed month. Now, it doesn't make any difference whether you have the knowledge of writing a book before now or not. It doesn't make any difference. You don't need to bother yourself. Oh, I don't know how to write a book. I have never learned how to write books. Hey, this is for you. Teachers, what are you waiting for? Your lesson plan, your lesson notes that you have been using and wasting, okay? We can actually help you to put them together and come up with very wonderful books. Or introduce to have the topic, and I'm going to give you a software that can help you to generate content. This is awesome. Guys, you can't wait, okay? You can't wait to see this working for you to make money and then be smiling to your bank. This is Dr. Tom K. If you're interested in this, what I'm telling you right now, click on the link below that is under this video, or meet with the person who sent this video across to you and ask him or her, how can I get started? And they're going to show you how you can actually get that done. So don't waste time. Click the link and let's go to class and start learning how to make good money by going straight to Amazon KDP. Drop our short books. Every tool you need to get that done is provided for you in the course. All right, I'm going to get that for you. Now join the masterclass and let me explain more of this for you so that you can go smiling to your bank. Exactly. God bless you. I'll see you in class.